The current public protector, Nompilo Galeka, is offended that people are hurling insults at her because she's the one who actually made Ramaphosa get away with the Palapala saga in 2022. So remember, Busisiwe Mkhwebane was fired from that position because she was going after Ramaphosa, and unfortunately, Busisiwe Mkhwebane didn't even get her pension. So the current public protector is saying that anyone who hurls insults at her will face a 12-month imprisonment or will be fined 40,000 rands. And obviously, if I was her, I would feel offended as well. But there was no need to remind the people that they are going to face imprisonment. And will they really enforce this? Because people are angry, and rightfully so, because the first time Ramaphosa got away with the Palapala case, it was because of her. If it wasn't for the public protector saying that Ramaphosa is off the hook, Ramaphosa would be impeached right now. We would have a different president. Maybe we would have his brother-in-law, Patrice Motsepe, as the president right now. But unfortunately, that didn't happen. Ramaphosa never got impeached. So now we are facing imprisonment. Even me right now, if I were to insult this lady, you might find me in a court case somewhere. But yeah, that's what I'm wondering. Can anyone really taste this law? I need someone who's really brave that can test this law to actually see if Nompilo can actually prosecute us. Can she actually enforce and put someone in prison for 12 months just because maybe the person said Futek or something like that? Is there anyone who's brave enough? Because me on my side, hey man, I still want to be out here. I still want to be free. But yeah, so the Palapala thing, it means even right now, the public protector is willing to defend Ramaphosa. It means it's going to be very hard for anyone to actually prosecute him. That's why even Ramaphosa is feeling very confident that there's nothing that's going to happen to him. He's actually not going to resign. But the resignation of Ramaphosa, that's another video in itself. But at the moment, yeah, this is something really crazy. And okay, it kind of does make sense because the public protector is one of the highest offices in the presidency. But from this whole situation, when she's saying that if anyone insults her, they will get 12 months, it means the public protector is not exactly an independent body, right? It means still the public protector needs to be, under the thumb of the president, so to speak. It means she does whatever Ramaphosa tells her. And if right now she were to go against President Cyril Ramaphosa, it means she will get fired. They'll find a reason to fire her, just like they did to